How to fix Discord Nitro not working? Well, if your Discord Nitro is not working after a recent purchase or activation, you can usually fix it immediately by restarting your application. So first close your Discord application by clicking on the cross icon or pressing Command plus Control plus R on your Windows, and that should close the application. Then you want to reopen it again and see if the issue is fixed. Now sometimes you can log into your account on the web. It can be a certain app glitch or a bug. To fix that, you can head into discord.com on the web, right? And then you want to log into your account and see if it shows up there and if it is working. Now, if it is an app glitch or a bug, simply quick restart the device and make sure your app is updated to the latest version, and that should fix the issue. Also check out for DownDetector websites to see if the website is down, if the Discord is down, and also make sure that you check it under your active subscription. So you can head into your user settings, and under user settings, what you want to do is you want to head into the option that says subscriptions. So you want to find the subscriptions option and head into it and see your subscriptions. If it is active right there, it will show here. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.